Greetings and welcome to the NewsRamp Insurance Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, delighted to have you with us as we explore today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we curate business news from the best newswires, bringing you the most relevant updates. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. While AI assists in producing this podcast and generating the voices, the news stories are all real. You can read the full articles on newsramp.com. Today is Friday evening, June 6th, 2025, and we have a great mix of insurance headlines lined up for you. So whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, stay with us as we get started. Here's our first headline.
More American doctors are relocating to Canada, citing federal government issues. More American doctors are relocating to Canada, citing federal government issues. The reasons they are giving revolve around the actions and policies of the Trump administration. This trend could potentially impact hospital networks and medical advantage plan providers like Astiva Health. The latest news and updates regarding Astiva Health can be found in the company's newsroom. BioMedWire is a specialized communications platform focusing on biotechnology, biomedical sciences, and life sciences sectors, providing access to a vast network of wire solutions. For more information, visit BioMedWire's website. For SMS alerts, text Biotech to 888-902-4192, U.S. mobile phones only. The Standard appoints Marjan Berg as second vice president. Standard Insurance Company has promoted Marjan Berg to second vice president and actuary, asset liability management, and capital analytics. Berg will lead interest rate and liquidity risk management, hedging, economic capital adequacy, and investment considerations for the Standard's core products. With a background as a senior director and actuary in asset liability management, Berg's expertise and collaborative approach have earned her praise from Lauren Canfield, vice president at the Standard. Prior to this role, Berg worked as an investment consultant at Willis Towers Watson and managed a global endowment portfolio. She holds degrees in actuarial science and quantitative finance and is a fellow of the Institute and Faculty of Actuaries. The Standard, established in 1906, is committed to helping customers achieve financial well-being through a range of financial protection products and services.
The Standard appoints Nicola Barrett as second vice president. Standard Insurance Company has appointed Nicola Barrett as second vice president and actuary, actuarial governance and enterprise risk management. In her new role, Barrett will be responsible for implementing effective actuarial and risk governance at all levels of the organization. With a background in consulting and industry, including experience at MassMutual, Milliman, Ernst & Young, MetLife, and Prudential, Barrett brings a wealth of expertise to the team. She holds a Bachelor of Business Administration and a Master of Actuarial Science from Georgia State University, and is a Fellow of the Society of Actuaries and President-elect of the Caribbean Actuarial Association. The Standard, established in 1906, is dedicated to helping customers achieve financial well-being through a range of financial protection products and services.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Insurance Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.